I just got home from work. I'm gonna make some quick and easy dinner because it's been a long day, so we're just going to make something easy and we'll make some meatloaf. All right, let's make our meatloaf. We're gonna need an egg, garlic powder, onion powder, Italian seasoning, ketchup, Worcestershire sauce, and mustard. And a medium-sized dish to mix everything in, and a pound of ground beef. And I like to also take a cookie sheet with tin foil, put some tin foil on it, spray that down a little bit with Pam, and get ready and preheat the oven to 400 degrees. All right, so we're gonna add 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, our egg, 1 teaspoon of onion powder. We're gonna just kind of sprinkle that all over. I just kind of guesstimate, I don't take out a measuring cup or spoon. A teaspoon of Italian seasoning to throw on top of there, and a teaspoon of mustard. And then also a teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce and a tablespoon of ketchup. And we get that all on there. And again, if you like other spices, feel free to add that too. Salt, pepper, whatever you want. And go ahead and mix that right up. And a spoon, spoon or fork work great, but this is kind of messy. You can use gloves if you want, but go ahead and mix up that burger with your hand and form it into a loaf and put it on that prep cookie sheet. And we're going to put that in the oven at 400 degrees in a few minutes. I like to put them in at the same time as the potatoes. So we're going to take about 8 to 10 potatoes on a prepared cookie sheet with tin foil and spray down a little bit with Pam or whatever you use. Chop your potatoes into quarter-sized pieces and evenly spread them out on that tinfoil pan and drizzle some olive oil on there for cooking. And then you can also salt and pepper, or, use whatever kind of seasoning that you guys like. Just sprinkle it right on there. And it's a pretty simple dish. It's just prep the dish, cut them all up, coat them with olive oil, and just spice it up whatever way you want. And you're going to cook that also at 400 degrees in the oven. And they both take about 30 to 40 minutes. You'll have to just check on it, check on the doneness, and there you have it. The finished product, meatloaf and roast potatoes.